Unraveling Your Thoughts, Mastering, Gather Your Thoughts. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, movies, or books. We're going to explore what it means to gather your thoughts. This phrase is a powerful tool in both personal and professional communication, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English language skills. So, let's get started. When we say, gather your thoughts, we're talking about a process. Imagine your mind is like a room full of fluttering papers, each paper representing a different thought or idea. To gather your thoughts means to take a moment to organize these papers, to collect and arrange your ideas and feelings in a coherent order. It's something you might do before making a decision, speaking in public, or simply trying to understand your own feelings on a matter. Practical situations. You'll often hear this phrase in contexts that require clarity and focus. For example, before answering a complex question in an interview, someone might say, "Let me gather my thoughts." It's also common in meetings, discussions, and even personal situations where pausing to think is valuable. Expressing the need for time. Saying you need to gather your thoughts is a polite and effective way to ask for a moment of silence or a short break. It signals to others that you're taking the question or situation seriously and want to give a well-considered response. Clarity and coherence. Taking time to organize your thoughts can lead to clearer, more coherent communication. It helps ensure that when you speak or make a decision, you're doing so with a full understanding of your stance and the information at hand. Emotional regulation. This phrase isn't just about intellectual preparation. It's also a tool for emotional regulation. In moments of stress or strong emotions, pausing to gather your thoughts can provide the mental space needed to approach the situation calmly and effectively. And that's a wrap on Gather Your Thoughts. Remember, mastering this concept is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about enhancing your ability to think clearly and communicate effectively. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, responding in a meeting, or just trying to understand your own feelings, taking a moment to gather your thoughts can make a big difference. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!